YouTube? Welcome to the shop. Got another HackerBox unboxing. Box 0037 WaveRunner. I have no clue what this could be. I always like taking a guess. I'm almost always wrong, but we already had a sensor thing, so I can't think of what it could possibly be. So I guess let's open it up and find out. Oh man, that's cool. A beanie, nice. I wear beanies all the time, so this will be pretty interesting. Awesome. Some alligators. I want to say, I was about to say this looks like a little transceiver or something, but I don't think that's what it is. I have no idea. Where'd it go? Some audio cable, huh? Yeah, I have no clue what's going on here. Is there a... Well, maybe it is about audio waveform. Yeah, okay, so take a hazard here and open one of these up. See what it has in there. There's two of them. I wonder if this is focus. Well, I'm not sure if that's transceiver or not, but I mean it's definitely, it says audio on it. There's a DC power jack, 10K. LM386. Very interesting. Power cable goes to that. Yeah, it must be what it is, because there's two of each. And I keep knocking the damn camera this time. I don't know. Micro USB. Wow, that thing is so tiny, I swear. And okay, so this is a USB audio dongle, or whatever it's called. Focus. TRRS breakout board. Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's see what we got here. I think There's a lot of stuff in this one. Well, that's pretty cool. Function generator. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. So you can test your stuff. Lots of little doodads. Don't want to get things mixed up here. Stop rolling. Yeah, there's an awful lot of little parts. Nice. Can't wait to build that. That should be interesting to play with. Even has a little case to it. A little acrylic case. Lots of soldering to do. Triangle sin. Amplitude, fine, coarse. All kinds of neat little things. Let's put that back in there before I get it confused. Yeah, I just set it aside. That'll be okay, I guess. Actually, I think I will put this back in there. I got too many parts, too many small parts. So after I get a few of my other projects I've got going on right now, I've already made up my mind. I'm gonna take, I don't know, a couple weeks if it needs it, and get caught up on my hacker boxes because I'm woefully behind. Got 2 audio cables, so yeah, we got another TRSS, and then it looks like a little tiny radio. You know, I keep bumping this thing. I might have to move this and adjust this. That's really cool. That is really cool. 2 little tiny 3-watt speakers. Gonna have a little boombox action. That's kind of cool. I like it. Got a little sticker. There is no cloud. It's just someone else's computer. That's pretty awesome. That's a really good haul right here. There's a lot of interesting stuff to play with. Yeah, so like I said, I'm woefully behind, and hopefully, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get to it in the next week or 2 or not, but I hope so. Anyways, I hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving.